we're checking out the Tomtoc Navigator T66 Liteway 40-liter travel backpack. And like all of you out there, I'm a huge fan of Tomtoc and the value that they bring, because these bags hold up really well and they won't cost you a fortune. In the past, I've reviewed the 28-liter version of this backpack, as well as the classic version of this backpack, and you're gonna find links to both of those in the description below. Down there, you're also going to find an affiliate link, and be sure to use that if you plan on snagging one of these for yourself. So let's start today's video by checking out the specs of the bag, and then we're gonna take a look at the features. In the past, I've packed up this bag in the classic version for a 2-week trip. So if you do wanna see how I pack this bag, be sure to click on that video, because today we're just going to be looking at the specs and the features. So the Tomtoc Navigator Liteway 40-liter travel backpack comes in at 20.47 inches, by 12.99 inches by 9 inches, and this bag is going to weigh 2.36 pounds. And the top portion of this bag is going to be made with a lightweight 400D ripstop polyester, and then the bottom and back of the bag features a 1680D abrasion-resistant polyester. In addition to the premium fabrics, the bag also features high-end YKK zippers, and this bag is going to come in 2 different colorways, a green as well as the gray that you see here. And the 40-liter Liteway version of this backpack starts at $96 US. So now let's move over to the table to check out some of the features of this bag. All right, so let's check out the features of the Tomtoc Navigator T66 Liteway 40-liter bag. As you can see, you have the subtle branding here on the front. Love that, just with that little metal T right here. Really nice Tomtoc logo. I love the subtle branding. You can see a little Tomtoc logo on the zipper pulls as well, but that's really the only place you're gonna find it on this bag. On the sides, you're gonna have 2 really nice water bottle pockets, pretty deep. You can fit in a large water bottle there. On the back, you're gonna have a sternum strap for carrying, really nicely padded back panel, and shoulder straps. You can see these are really thick padded shoulder straps, which is great for a bag at this price. I mean, at only $96. This is a, really nicely padded bag. So you're gonna find a lot of comfort when carrying this bag. You're also gonna have a luggage pass-through right here. So I'll go down sideways like that onto your bag. A couple carry handles, one right here if you wanna hang your bag like that. Other than that, back here, you have these little dangle stoppers on your shoulder straps, which is nice. So you don't have to worry about those dangling all over the place. Moving to the top of the bag next, let's go up here. You have a really thick padded handle. This is about the same thickness as you'll find on those shoulder straps. So that's really nice up there. Then up here, you're gonna have a small kind of quick access pocket. So that's this whole top area is a little pocket there. And then you're gonna have another quick access pocket in this main area right here. So that goes, about here to about here. You can throw some stuff in there pretty easily. Get to headphones or your wallet or passport. That stuff is pretty easy to get to when carrying this bag. So you're also gonna have these little buckles. This is nice because after you pack it up, you can really tighten these up, get the bag a little more kind of like secure, a little like flatten it out a little bit more, which is always nice. In here, this is gonna open clamshell style. This is like your main pocket in here, which is great. This little flap pushes down, which gives the bag more of like a base which is really nice. So it can stand on its own better. And it's also just much easier to pack out, kind of pushes the bag up. So it's easier to get everything in this main pocket here. Yeah, zip this up, these buckles back. And we'll also check out the back panel, or excuse me, the laptop pocket area. And this pocket does have these interlockable zippers. So if you do want to put a lock on there, you can. We'll open this up. That's really nice. Tons of padding and space for very large computers and tablets in here. So that's really, really nice. And then you can see it ends right here. So you have a really nice area. So if you do drop your bag, it won't do anything to your computer. Has that really nice space at the bottom there. Over here, you have a little extra pocket where you can put like your chargers and stuff, anything electronic that would go with your computer there. And then here, this is a really nice to have over here as well. These zippers open and then you can get back into that main compartment from the back of the bag. So you can pack things on the top or the bottom that you need quick access to when traveling. You just open it up and snag those really, really easily. And there you go. That's the Tomtoc Navigator T66 Liteway 40 liter. So what do you think of this backpack from Tomtoc? For me, this is just another win for Tomtoc, especially with this form factor of travel backpack. I really loved the original version of the T66, and having it in this new lighter fabric, as well as this really nice gray color, I think it's a huge win. You can't go wrong with it. And for under $100, this thing is, yeah, it's a no-brainer for me. Definitely something you should check out if you want a really nice 40-liter, reliable, and affordable backpack. So yeah, definitely check this one out from Tomtoc. Also, if you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give this a like and subscribe. 80% of you watching this video right now are not subscribed. It takes 2 seconds, so please just click on that subscribe button, as it really does help out the channel. Lastly, let's take a look at what I'm listening to this week. And it is this record right here, Painful, by the Hoboken, New Jersey band Yo La Tengo. This is a perfect fall record. This time of year when the leaves are changing, starting to get a little colder outside, we have that kind of football weather coming in. This is just a perfect record to put on during these kind of transitional months where it's starting to get a little colder and things are changing. If you don't know Yo La Tengo, they're a 3-piece band. The 2 singers, the drummer and the guitar player, Ira and Georgia, are a married couple. They both share the vocal duties throughout this. And then the bass player is named James, but the vocals of Ira and Georgia are very lush, very kind of subdued, almost like whispering. So it brings just such a nice vibe to all of their songs. And on here, you're gonna have mixes between songs that really kind of start slow and build up and create like a really nice atmosphere, as well as those longer kind of jam songs, like 7-minute long, kind of psychedelic, more like guitar forward rock songs. But it's a perfect mix. This is one of my favorite records by them, and honestly, this is a perfect fall record. So check this out if you need something to listen to this time of year. With that, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.